Pilate therefore said unto him, Art thou a king then? Jesus answered, Thou sayest that I am a king. To this end was I born, and for this cause came I into the world, that I should bear witness unto the truth. Everyone that is of the truth heareth my voice. May God bless you. Amen. Tin pilatana nena su lalini elo atia isuan ni lalkani asin thutak siat tir hi ka piansan le khovela ka rongkal chan ani tu po thutakami apiangin kathuan pomthin ati thutakami apiangin isua thukan pomthin charau thiang him zara lalpan mal som charo se. Amen.